Hi YouTube, I was been a bit busy today again. The ferro rod now. This is the tut that I made the handle for, but I couldn't get that marking out of there because I did this on these brass things. Once I got them in there, I went on a grinder and it put a bit of burning in there because this pin got really hot. So what I did is I was sanding it today to try and get it out. I got best part out, but you could still see a marking. So I dyed it in walnut, and I think that's come up really well. So anyway, I was on my little workbench in the front room, and I put that alongside there like that, and I thought, wow, that looks pretty good. So I got my forest fundamental. I got a forest fundamental Artisan fire starter. Check this out. I just had to do it. And then I dyed this one with walnut. Looks pretty good to me. Sort of matches it all together now, doesn't it? And then just playing around because it's better don't be trying to stick pins in after you've like done the handle, because it is not easy if you've got nothing to get it central on that, which I didn't. So what I did is this fat wood had a hole in it, so I opened the hole up and I fitted a brass pin. So these two will go on to a lanyard with this. This one's getting, because this is 8mm, this is getting replaced with a 10mm, which I'll be doing the same for my Swiss Army. And then eventually, what I might do, which I am going to do, sorry, is something like that. Like that. I'm going to make a leather case with cover over it so it all locks down, and then that will all go into a leather case. Keep it all neat then, you see. And then probably put a belt loop on it. I'm just playing with leather and stuff at the minute, and obviously I like bushcraft and I do bushcraft, but you know, you're not going to be taking your Swiss Army knife and a ferro rod, and you wouldn't be taking this all together because you don't need two kits out at a time, you see. So, but I think that'll go together in a case, and that's just, well, I'm very happy with that now. And because I've done this one with sandpaper, I don't know if it's focus will it, because I've done it with sandpaper, there was no burning and it all looks pretty good. But stay tuned because I've got some more ferro rods coming. I've ordered two 12.7mm ferro rods, 120mm, and I've ordered I believe it's 20mm by 120mm, so I'll be making handles for them. But I've also got a couple of things coming from China, and these handles I'm going to make for the next ones are going to be something else. But yeah, as you can see, I did do a bit of work on here sanding today to try and get that out, and as you can see most of it's out, but the colouring wouldn't go, so but now that looks all good. That side looks all good, that side. But yeah, thanks for watching. And yeah, got a bit of dye over my fingers. But yeah, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next videos. Thank you. Bye.